All right, guys. Without wasting much of your time, I'll just get to the point why you clicked on this video. How to make videos that go viral every time. So please bear with me as I explain to you how you can do that using my own video. My own viral video. Okay, so this is a video. I haven't been around a while. It was like 5 months ago. We're in September now. I don't know when you're seeing this, but I posted this in April 5th, 2025, and now we're in September. So I haven't been around a while. This video got 3.7 million views, and it was posted on April 5th. But from what I've seen, it didn't actually start to get views till about 2 weeks from the date I posted it. I did not really think much about this video when I posted it because it did not start to get views immediately. It got about, I don't know, like 100 views at first 24 hours. Yeah, it did not do that well at the beginning, so I just kind of forgot about it. But after a while, I didn't even check up until last month. So I was planning on doing this video for a while now. So it got 3.7 million views, but the real views is 1.8 million. So yeah, and the swipe through rate is 77%. So the audience retention is 114%, which is really, really good. So yeah, as I've seen, the sweet spot is to have your videos reach over. Oh, okay, yes, the audience is 13 to 17, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 50. Basically almost every age, including kids. That's nice. Male and female, mostly male. Geographies: India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Uzbekistan. From what I've noticed, the kind of videos you post is where YouTube recommends it to. It recommends to the kind of people who would actually enjoy that video. Yeah, but as I was saying, swipe through rate is really important in this kind of videos, in shorts in particularly, because swipe through rate makes or breaks the video, and the audience retention too. But swipe through rate is the main thing. If you can get your swipe through rate as high as possible, it will help a lot. I'm telling you, man, from personal experience, as we've clearly seen, because this is not some kind of fluke. I was not actually putting a lot of effort when I made this video, so YouTube kind of took over and send it to the people who. These are content I suggested in my shorts. Okay, so if you were interested in watching this video in particular to copy my style or anything, you can check it out. It's on the channel. I would link it to this video, but I've been gone a while, so YouTube might have revoked my advanced mode settings or something like that. And yeah, so I try to link it, but if I can, then you could just go check it. It's on this channel. So yeah, there's that. Oh yeah, also there's something really important I want to tell you guys. You should not delete videos. If a video doesn't do well, don't delete it. This video didn't do well for over a week, going to 2 weeks. If I would have deleted it, probably would have gone viral. So don't delete videos. Keep them. You never know. Also, please, I am going to be sharing my step-by-step method on how to make this kind of videos. I make edits, so I'm going to share a step-by-step method where you can find the clips and everything. So if you're interested in that, just you could just subscribe so when that video drops, you'll be the first to know about it. And yeah, as I'm saying, I wasn't around for a while. I wasn't on YouTube for a while. I got some issues, so I just needed to make this video to clear some things off my mind. Please, if you have any question, I'll be available in the comments. I respond to every comment, so drop your questions there, and I'll see you later.